owl distantly outside my home in the morning, linking up both wisdom and death. The bird notes various weather patterns, a knowledgeable guide in the afterlife. Golden white dog represents peace, white dog seen as omens of love and fidelity. Hawk symbolizes illumination, truth, courage, and wisdom to overcome struggles. Two flying birds symbolizing love, freedom, or two free souls in love. Bear represents strength, family, courage, and health.
Nature makes sure, nature makes sure, nature. Cute little feathers waving at for babies, all in place with loving faces. Always make sure, nature.
Associated with good luck, prosperity, and fertility. Red cardinal related to the phoenix, symbolizing fidelity, rebirth, and transformation. Dove symbolizes holiness, peace, love, and devotion. Jackrabbit seen as a good omen for spiritual awakening and intuition. Rabbit, a symbol of prosperity, luck, and hard work.
Nature makes sure, nature makes sure, nature. Cute little feathers waving at for babies, all in place with loving faces. Always make sure, nature.
Rabbit, a symbol of prosperity, luck, and hard work.
Nature makes sure, nature makes sure, nature. Cute little feathers waving at for babies, all in place with loving faces. Always make sure, nature.